Okay. So, will this match also be extremely laggy, suck monkey balls, and waste my time? You be the judge. I say yes, just like every fucking match on this piece of shit. Go ahead, pick something really stupid. We got a bison. A 14,000 point bison against my Rufus. I don't even know how to fight this fight with Rufus. Great. Let's go, cocksucker.
Come out on top. Fight! Whoa! Get beating. Continue.
Oh.
You can just feel the fear out there. It's tangible.
Bitch! Oh, I fucked up. Yes, one hit. That's what I wanted. One fucking hit. This guy can't even beat my shitty basic Rufus, and he has 14,000 points. What the fuck? You dumb scrub.
Let's pick up the pace. Fight! And with that hit, the fight is officially underway.
You fell for it. Okay, one hit. That's what you want.
I'm almost ready to call this over.
You lose. You're horrible.
Rufus wins.
I win, you lose, and I only use basics. You fucking horrible scrub.